Hi you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry about the state of my appearance right now. I don't think I even brushed my hair from last night. I just woke up, cooked, took a shower, and decided I'm gonna make use of the Pongal gift my husband got me, aka an ironing board and an iron right there. And we had so many things to iron. Again, trying to save money, although not much. It is something. And you know, ironing is a lot of work. And those two bags right there, that one and there's a bag behind it, those two bags are full of clothes that need to be ironed, and I've ironed 6 clothes in total right now, and my back is about to give out. So I heard the washing machine. Now I'm gonna go hang the clothes on the clothesline to dry, and then I'll come back, take a little break, and then I think I'll iron 6 more pieces of clothing and take another break, and I think this will continue until we're done, or until however much I can handle today. So I will see you guys in a little bit after finishing laundry work. Hi. We're back, and I think my back is feeling pretty well, so let's get to ironing some more clothes. I'm guessing I'll get to finish 2 pieces of clothes and I'll be done again, and then I would want a break. So we'll see. That's like a challenge. If I can get to 6, that would be great. If I can get to 2, I understand. Actually on a roll. We did 17 pieces of clothing that emptied out a whole bag of stuff, and I was so much on a roll that I feel like I can still go on with ironing clothes and maybe finish the other bag that I have, but I'm gonna take a break. I know my back needs a break. I know everything of mine needs a break. I know I need a break. So I'm gonna take a break, even though I was zoned in and just focused on ironing clothes, and I got 17 of them done. I thought I would get like 12 maximum, but to get 17 feels so good. The challenge that I had for myself, I was so excited. I actually love ironing clothes. It's very satisfying to know that we're actually doing some work towards the clothes that, you know, give us style, give us protection, just giving back to the clothes. Although it is possible to give it to the laundry people and ironing people, you know, and then they just do it for you, and although that is possible, it is a luxury to have. Although essential, it is an essential luxury. I know that's contradicting, but we have a lot of those, like essential luxuries that it's necessary to have, but it is luxurious. Hi you guys, this little clip is just going to be a conclusion for this video that you have seen. I don't know where that footage went. I'm pretty sure I filmed a conclusion for that, but I don't know where it is. I have the worst luck with technology, and I know that for a fact because I'm still struggling with it. Technology and SD cards and chargers, and I have the worst luck. I hope you guys enjoyed ironing with me. It was the first time I used my husband's Pongal gift that he got for me, and I had fun. It was a lot of work, but it was such pending work that it was eating my mind, and I needed to finish that. So it feels good. It feels good to have at least finished one bag out of the 2 bags that I had full of clothes to iron, so it feels good. And on to the next bag, right? Well, right now when I'm filming this, that is an older video. You can see that my nose hasn't been pierced yet, so that was an older video. But now 2 bags, or 1 bag now, has turned into a whole suitcase. So I still have a long ways to go. There's still lots of things to do, but I'm getting there. So thank you for joining me in this Make Our Space episode 4, and yeah, I hope you had fun having me in the background, or watching me clean up, or watching me iron for the first time in forever. It's been a long time since I've ironed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, like I've said a million times here, and I wish you guys the bestest of the best, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!